Hey guys, it's Amanda. Today I'm doing a chic and easy Halloween costume idea video. Halloween is right around the corner, so this is for you if you're like me and don't like to plan out your costumes too much and kind of have to throw something cool and chic together kind of last minute. So here are some costume ideas that are super easy, and you can find a lot of these things in your closet or just at your local Halloween store. Very, very cheap, easy. Let's do it. So for the first costume, this is a Victoria's Secret angel. It doesn't actually make sense because I'm wearing the robe and the wings together, but people get the idea and it's super easy. I actually have this Victoria's Secret robe. I bought it from Victoria's Secret a while ago because I had actually seen the show in person. I kind of just went back to the US and got it as a souvenir, but any cute lingerie type robe you have will work. And then I just got these white cute wings from the Halloween store. I just threw this on with some heels, and you can just wear this with super nice glowy makeup and wavy hair. Just super simple, it's comfortable, and you feel cute and sexy at the same time. For the next one, this one is so sick. This is from The Matrix. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't seen the movie, but I love the style and I kind of feel like I dress like this all the time. So this is super, super easy to throw on and be like, hey, it's a costume. So I'm wearing this trench coat from I Am Gia. So if you have any long like black leather coat, something just like all black, mysterious spy vibes, that's what we're gonna go for. I just tucked my hair into this jacket because the girl had short hair. But if I were to actually wear this, I would definitely like sleek it down and make it like a wet, sleek look. I'm wearing these Steele latex pants and then these helmet lang boots that just flowed perfectly with the pants, but you can wear whatever cool boots you have. My sunglasses are from Key, Australia, so any cool black style sunglasses like this would work. Now onto Catwoman. This one I always want to do every year. I just think it's easy, sexy, cool because it's all black. I love wearing all black. So I just got this little headpiece from my local Halloween store. Pretty cheap. You can get just ears, you can get like a full mask depending on how intense you want to go, but I just got this cool latex hat headband situation with the ears because it goes with my look. I'm wearing the same Steele latex pants and the matching bandeau from Steele as well. It just flows. If you have anything patent leather, latex, this is what you're gonna go for. For makeup, I just did a cat eye. Duh. This is my go-to cat eye wing that I've kind of nailed. I've got it down. I did it way more dramatic than I usually do. Because it's Halloween, we can go a little bit over the top. So I just used some liquid eyeliner. I extended the wing to my inner corner, so it's super cat-eyed, and I think it goes with it perfectly. So this look is super fun. You can play around with it. It could be super easy just throwing the black ears on and whatever all black outfit you have, kind of like a cat suit vibe. I think I might end up doing this one for Halloween. So this one is so chic. This is Emma Stone from Easy A. It's pretty easy too. It's easy if you have a black corset just laying around. You can even recreate this with a black tube top if you have it, but I actually borrowed this corset top from my friend. She got a lot of her corsets from Corset Story online. You can check them out. They have a lot of like really great corsets. This one's like the real deal. Then I just cut out an A in red felt and used some fashion tape. You can use double-sided tape too. Just stuck that on. I wore some black skinny jeans and some heels, and then I put some Wayfair Ray-Ban style sunglasses on. And she's also wearing pearls on her neck in this scene, so I put some pearls up there too. This one is just super fierce and it's funny. It's just a cool, kind of unexpected, easy look. So for these next clips, I did do the makeup for this, but I lost the footage. I'm so sad. I'm sorry about that. This one, you could guess, is Black Swan. I got just this tutu from the Halloween store as well. I had this black bodysuit already in my closet, and then I just put some like workout shorts on so it all flowed. I also borrowed this little tiara from my friend. I made sure to do the makeup like how it is in the movie. It was pretty easy because it is supposed to be feathers, so you don't have to be super perfect for it as long as you get the shape. Of course, my hair is in this sleek bun, and for my shoes I had these heels, these little booties that are really thin and nude, so they kind of look like ballet slippers. This is just what I had in my closet that fitted the best. And lastly, to shut it down, the Joker. And this is Joker 2019 because I actually was the Joker from the Suicide Squad a couple years ago, and it's a different Joker. But this one, I just kind of pulled a look that had the similar colors of the Joker. I borrowed this red blazer from my friend. Underneath it is just a green button up, and then I used a bodysuit that was this yellow neon kind of color, and I just had these red trousers too. I bought green hairspray from Rite Aid. I think it's a L'Oreal one, and I just sprayed it all on my hair. It doesn't show up that much because I have dark hair. If you have lighter hair, then it will work out way better. And I went over the top of this makeup. No, I'm not wearing white face paint. I am just that pale right now. I just used some like red lipstick on my face. I used some blue eyeliner underneath my eyes and just kind of had a lot of fun with it. So those were all of my Halloween costume ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a lot of fun. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. I think this one is my favorite. Also, let me know what other kind of videos you want to see from me next. I post videos every week. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.